teachers covered by other indigenous languages department. From Dhaka, I am Chitta Department, Principal Officer, Cooperative.
Namaskar, sir. Now I will present guidance regarding development activities as well as basic information of this Ttaadc. Now, sir, at first introduction. Ttaadc was established in the year 1979 under the Act of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. Later on, subsequently, under 49th Amendment, the Ttaadc was brought under 6th schedule, and then first election of Ttaadc was held 30th June 1985. Total 68% of the state geographical area is under Ttaadc. 70 point ADC area extends to all 8 revenue districts of the state. 70.04% of ADC area is under forest land of the Ttaadc area. Number of revenue moja total 618. 180 is partly and full moja within Ttaadc area 438. First land in the available in the Ttaadc area according to sir.
बीच में मैं बोल पूछ सकता हूँ डिटेल्स के लिए ये पार्ट 180 फुल 438 क्या होता है
Sir.
Just now you read the Mauja
Sir.
618 पार्ट 180 पार्ट होता है और फुल 438 होता है
हाँ, right, sir. Sir, there is some revenue villages partly fall in the non-ADC area, that is in the state area, sir. And some area is covered within Ttaadc area.
The total village comes under ADC area or outside area?
Outside area. Some part is within the Ttaadc area. Revenue, sir. Revenue moja. That is revenue villages, sir. Some revenue moja is covered with some part of the ADC area and some part of non-ADC area.
Right.
Then, sir, total cost land, basically, sir, allotment is given the revenue department of the state government. We are proposing, according to our available record, as of now, sir, 2,45,582.29 acres cost land is available within the Ttaadc areas. Then, sir, district council is constituted and administered as per Ttaadc and Ttaadc Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985 and Ttaadc Administration Rules 1988. Next, sir, the total area of Ttaadc areas 7,132.56 square kilometers. That is 67.98% of the state areas. Total population according to census 2011 12,65,830. As per our record, according to as on 31st March 2022, sir, that is now 50,287. That is not here, sir. This is according to census. As I am saying. Then, sir, how many scheduled tribes? 10,66,298. Scheduled caste, Kokchap Jati, Janajati, 60,993. OBC other backward community, 64,850. Minorities, 26,473. Others, 47,250. Sir, the next means, sir, administrative setup. There is a CEU, CEM sir. Then chairman of district council. There is sir CEU, and there is sir CE2, additional CEU2 sir we have. One deputy CEU, 8 ZDU Zonal Development Officer sir.
CEO, who is CEO now?
CEU sir, regular CEU is on leave sir. Now additional CEU Kwbangma sir is holding
He
leave.
is on leave or he is on other work
No sir, he is on leave.
leave?
He went outside state.
Outside
On
state.
LPC.
So then sir, we have executive officers, administration, finance, RD, plan, principal officers sir, who are looking after the different departments like forest,
Chief Executive Member
sir.
Pune.
Sir,
Pune.
then sir,
Pune Chandraji.
sir, then sir, executive members sir,
Yes,
that is
eight
council
are-
of ministers like sir.
Chairman and chairman इधर नहीं है.
No sir, chairman is sir like assembly.
Speaker.
Like speaker.
Like speaker sir, assembly. There is, we have sir separate office sir, chairman district council office.
Deputy
See,
Chief Executive Member, he is also not here.
no sir,
नहीं, ठीक. Good.
then sir composition of district council. Total members of the district council is 30. Sir. Out of 30, 28 members is directly elected. Sir. And 2 members is nominated by the honorable governor. Sir. And there
Next
are,
page.
sir,
Next page.
that is sir executive body, PTLC. We have total members are 9. CEM plus executive member 8 sir. Chief executive member elected by the sir MDCs. And then the status of state cabinet ministers.
Executive members enjoy the status of Minister of State.
Yes sir.
स्टेटस में क्या होता है, ये बाहर जब जाते हैं तो उसको वही ये देते हैं प्रोटोकॉल.
Sir,
Protocol within the state or outside the state?
even outside. It is issued by the government, political department. Issued. Chief executive member and chairman, they will enjoy the status of the cabinet rank of the state, and other members will enjoy the status of state minister.
So they, if they go Bengal, they will get the
They-
state minister.
Yes.
Next sir, district council. There is sir chairman of the district council preside over the council session. Chairman is elected for 5 years by the majority of the MDCs. Session of the district council is summoned and conducted like the session of the legislative assembly.
Last session when it was held, ये 6 months को एक बार है ना.
15 September. Last September. Sir, budget of the council is laid down before the session of district council for passing, before submitting the said budget after referral to the state government. Secretary to the district council assists the chairman to run the office and council session. Bills of Ttaadc are prepared on the 6th schedule and laid in the council session for passing. Power and function of the chairman. So this is the power and function of the executive committee. Next. Executive committee functions like this. Is that this?
Next.
Then sir, delegation of duties. Each member of the executive committee shall be entrusted with specific subjects, sir, like forest, industry, health, education. That's
Distribution of departments.
departments. The executive committee is collectively liable, like sir, assembly, council of ministers. One of the members of the executive committee shall be given the charge of the district council fund, who shall refer to the executive members' finance to the details. Sir, this is next sir, notification, power and function of the included here for in kind information. Next sir.
Page 12.
Page 12, sir. ADC budget and source of funds. Basically, the size of the budget is decided in consultation with the finance department of the state government, and that is placed before the council of ministers. That is council of executive council, sir. So the share of taxes, sir.
Page number 20.
Sir, share of
Page number 20.
yes, share of taxes, sir. According to norms, sir, we are to get 75% of revenue,
You prepare a budget of your own
sir.
with consultation of the state government.
Sir,
Just like state government, Tripura government going to Delhi in September, October, November for next financial year. What is the budget you are going to get? According to that, they will prepare a budget of themselves in state. So in the same way, you will approach the state government and you will know what are the funds you are getting. According to that, you will prepare a budget for your
right.
TTA.
Sir, that budget is placed before the council of executive council meeting, sir. That is first, and after approval of the council, then we are to set it to the state.
This funds forest revenue 75%. All these funds it comes automatic or it comes what is the system generally?
Sir, there is a problem. According to 6th schedule, we are entitled to get the forest revenue 75%, which are collected in the 12 district. But the fund is released lump sum without showing or indicating the source of fund or ratio what we are getting. In the next page, so you may kind see, says cooperation. Says forest 11, sir, forest. We are getting funds, sir, as a transfer fund. Serial number 11, sir. Page number, sir, 22. Yes, sir, next.
Page number
21, sir. Has
Sir, initially I shared him. Before
after that, sir, it was some motivation.
मैं इसीलिए हमारे नोट में लिख लिया ये पेज से ये पेज जो मिसिंग है बोल के लिख लिया वो पेज
Sir, some motivation was done later. Sir, yes. नहीं sir, इसमें sir. Sir, kindly say, sir, serial number 11. The table, sir. Forest. So, we are getting 90 lakhs from the state, but it was not mentioned what is the percentage of the ratio. Lump sum amount is used. Next page, sir. Next page, sir, we are elaborately showing last 5 years position. What was the budget of councils and what was the allocation, what was actual we received the funds. That is 22. So here, sir,
29
sir,
कल भी पैसे रिलीज हुआ ना
sir, sir, I'm saying, sir, say
ये 29
2018-19, sir. Total allocation.
में up to 29 12 20 23 लिखा है।
Sir, this is the add-on last year, this year.
यही साल का है ना 12
हाँ sir,
29 दिसंबर मीन्स एस्टेडे
sir,
एस्टेडे अभी 35 crores आया ना
yesterday, sir, not getting we heard it.
confirm yourself
Sir, no, that was confirmed, sir. That will we are yet to receive the orders.
Sir, yesterday evening we have received 41.25 crore. Plus 49.
That will be plus 20.
41.25 crore.
Sir, yes, sir. One thing, sir, you kindly coordinate, sir. I can say, sir, this is, sir, we have shown here last 5 years positions.
yes yes
Sir, 2018-19, our budget was approved by the council 889.396 crores, sir. But allocation of budget state government which was allocated, that was at 461.57 lakh crores. But actually fund they released to us 459.015. 2.56 crores was less, sir. That was not released. So there was a shortfall, sir. 430.381 crores, sir. In the next year, sir,
में
sir,
एक साल प्लस आया बाकी के साल पूरा माइनस आया
minus, according to, sir, which was approved by the state government,
एग्री
but they not released the full amount,
बट व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग
sir.
स्टेट बजट अप्रूव होने के बाद रिलीज नहीं हुआ इसका कारण क्या है आप कुछ बात करिए क्या
हाँ सर, डिस्कस किया सर, लेटर भी दिया सर.
नहीं लेटर नहीं पर्सनली आप सेंटर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट में जिसका जो इंचार्ज होते हैं फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी हो या आपके ट्राइबल सेक्रेटरी हो या कोई हो या डिपार्टमेंट वाइज ईच डिपार्टमेंट वाइज अभी ये पूरा एक ही डिपार्टमेंट का नहीं होता है एजुकेशन का हो रेन रोड्स का हो या सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम्स का हो तो ऐसा क्यों नहीं आया ऐसा कुछ आप बात करें क्या
सर बात किया सर, लास्ट टाइम सर, दिस ईयर ऑल्सो दिस इज हैपनिंग. So sir, Vidya school, sir, that is a scheme. So now sir, December is almost, third quarter is sir over, fourth quarter is coming. There was the administrative equivalent expenditure sanction was given 3 crores 15 lakhs, but they released fund only 84 lakhs.
they can understand they have not released when you have spoken with them
স্যার
কেন পাঠালো না এত টাকাগুলো কেন পাঠালো না কি কি বলেন
না রিজন তো স্যার দে when we are approaching them sir they are telling we are releasing.
Sir, the budget is when the budget is passed by the state government, the earmark fund is allocated for ADC. It is up to the state government whether they will truly send transfer the fund. But it is seen that on many financial years, state government is not releasing the fund to the ADC on this ground or that ground. But we can definitely.
मैं जितना तक मेरे को समझ में आया, जैसा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास जाते हैं, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास अपने को आने का क्या है 42% डिवोल्यूशन फंड होता है। वैसे ही बाकी के स्कीम्स होता है, स्कीम्स में अपना कुछ स्कीम्स में 50-50 होता है, कुछ स्कीम्स में 70-30 होता है, कुछ स्कीम्स में 90-10% ऐसा होता है। तो उसके हिसाब से अपन इसमें अपन पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, इसमें अपन पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे बोल के अपन वो सैंक्शन करा लेके आते हैं। उसके बाद में वो 90% रिलीज़ करते हैं, कभी 50% रिलीज़ करते हैं। उसके बाद में उन लोग बोलते हैं कि आपका पैसे आप खर्च करने का आपका 10% ऐड हुआ नहीं हुआ, आपका 10% ऐड हुआ तो हमारा फिर बाकी के क्यों नहीं देना, क्यों देना, ऐसे भी हो सकता है। कभी कभी वो पैसे बेचते हैं, पैसे बेचने के बाद अपन यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट देना पड़ता है। यूटिलाइजेशन सर्टिफिकेट अपन दे रहे क्या, नहीं दिए तो फिर आगे साल का पैसे वो रोक लेते हैं। कभी कभी वो सैंक्शन करते हैं, फिर वो वापस खींच लेते हैं। ऐसा स्टेट्स में होता है। इधर ये ट्राइबल एरिया डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल का क्या सिस्टम है मेरे नहीं मालूम, समझने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। तो क्या प्रॉब्लम, जब सैंक्शन हुआ तो फिर अपने खाने के लिए परशु क्या करे, क्यों नहीं है, ये समझने के लिए मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
in the state government there is
ये इधर प्रेस वाले नहीं है ना, है फिर वो फिर बाहर जाके फिर लिखे सब